doing hemoglobin electrophoresis, we need a hemoglobin electrophoresis kit, hemoglobin electrophoresis apparatus and its lid, and a power supply and a sample applicator. We collect the samples in EDTA and we centrifuge the sample so that the red cell should actually settle down, and we take the packed red cells and then prepare the hemolysate with that. And for that purpose we have two reagents included in this kit. This is the lysing reagent and this is carbon tetrachloride. In addition to this, this kit also contains electrophoresis strips, buffer and filter paper wicks. Once the hemolysate is prepared in plastic tubes called Eppendorf tubes. These are 1.5 ml small tubes. You can also prepare hemolysates in glass tubes, but this is more convenient. You take 75 microliters of the packed cells from the bottom of the tube, then we add 75 microliters of the lysing reagent to this, and once the red cells are lysed, then we add 50 microliters of the carbon tetrachloride to this, and then we centrifuge it at about 3000 to 4000 RPM. And the top layer in the hemolysate that is used for electrophoresis. The next step is that you have to prepare your electrophoresis chamber, and you need to fill it with buffer. This chamber can take approximately 20 to 25 ml of buffer, and here I am taking 25 milliliters of buffer equally divided into each of the chambers, and then by gently tilting this electrophoresis chamber, I have equalized the level of electrophoresis buffer on both sides of it. Then I'll take an electrophoresis strip which is actually dipped in the electrophoresis buffer. With the help of a forceps, you first have to dry this strip between two layers of filter paper, and once the strip is dried, then you take the sample applicator and keep it over here, over this side. Now next, I'll take 5 microliter of the hemolysate that I've already prepared, and I'll apply this to, and similarly you can take all of the samples that you want to use for electrophoresis. I'm applying the same sample again and again just to save time, but you can add different samples. This applicator can take 6 samples at a time, and then we take some sample comb and put it over and slightly or gently rock it, and then you lift the comb and gently place it over the electrophoresis strip, and you can see nicely applied 6 samples on the electrophoresis strip. Now I'll take the strip out and then keep it in the electrophoresis chamber. Once I'm done with this, I'll put the lid on and turn the power supply on. And with turning of the power supply, as you can see here, the green light is also illuminated inside the chamber. We allow the electrophoresis to take place for about 15 to 20 minutes. This power supply has got a built-in timer that lasts for 15 minutes. But if you're not satisfied with the separation of the electrophoresis or the hemoglobin fractions, then you can restart this power supply again and continue as long as you want.